Welcome back to the Pabla Kitchen. Today we're making the ultimate comfort food, veggie shepherd's pie. This pie is topped with creamy mashed potatoes and a caramelized onion gravy, giving it a luxuriously rich flavor. Packed with nutritious vegetables like cauliflower and carrots, this recipe is both delicious and satisfying. Let's start cooking! In a non-stick pan on medium heat, sauté the onions in olive oil for about 2 minutes. Now let's start adding our vegetables. We're adding vegetables with longer cooking times at the beginning, like celery and carrots. Cover your pot and cook for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the cauliflower and zucchini and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to cover the pan and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. The steam buildup inside the pan helps the vegetables cook faster and retain moisture. We're flavoring our vegetables with garlic and sautéed mushrooms. Sautéed mushrooms have a more concentrated flavor since the water has been released through the cooking process. Let's start seasoning the vegetables with garlic salt, chili pepper flakes, black pepper, basil, and parsley. Cover and cook for a few more minutes until the vegetables are nice and tender. Finish off with adding jalapenos, soy sauce, and red wine vinegar. Cover and cook for one final time to help absorb all the flavors into the vegetables. Pour into a large oven-safe dish and pack down this first layer of vegetables. Now let's move on to our sweet corn topping. Lightly sauté the corn in butter for about 1 to 2 minutes. We're using peaches and cream variety for a juicy and sweet flavor. Let's finish layering our shepherd's pie with creamy mashed potatoes, sweet and juicy corn, and a bit of shredded cheese. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's baking, let's make our caramelized onion gravy. Start off with sautéing your onions in butter until translucent. Go ahead and add garlic, chili pepper flakes, curry powder, black pepper, and powdered vegetable stock. Sauté until brown and add flour to make a roux. Let the flour cook for about a minute before gradually adding water to the pan. Make sure you're using a wire whisk to prevent lumps in your gravy. Add soy sauce and more water if needed. Continue to boil for about 4 to 5 minutes to achieve your preferred consistency. Our dish is now ready. Let's plate our veggie shepherd's pie in a bed of gravy. Top with the ultimate caramelized onion gravy. This meal is all about comfort, so get cozy and enjoy your veggie shepherd's pie. Thanks for watching.